Students, in last video we have discussed the reaction of metals with acid and base. Second reaction which we have discussed, that is neutralization reaction. Both these reactions are very important from exam point of view. Now next reaction is metal carbonate with acid. You can do this activity at your home. Take sodium carbonate, um, that is also called washing soda, and then add some vinegar in it. Then you find that bubbles are formed. This is due to the reaction of washing soda with acid, because vinegar is your acetic acid and washing soda is your sodium carbonate. So in lab we have hydrochloric acid. So first reaction is sodium carbonate, that is sodium carbonate which is solid. Then we add some acid on it. We find this part, that is of metal carbonate, metal part, and this anionic part of acid, they combine to form salt. This H ion take oxygen from carbonate, gives water and carbon dioxide gas release. See here, this is your carbonate. Carbonate is made up of carbon dioxide and oxide ion. So this oxygen of carbonate combined with hydrogen gave water and carbon dioxide gas release. So metal carbonate, when react with acid, they form salt, carbon dioxide and water. Next is reaction of metal hydrogen carbonate. Metal is sodium hydrogen carbonate. This is called meetha soda, that is sodium hydrogen carbonate. When we add hydrochloric acid, then again metal and chloride ion combine to give salt, that is dissolved in water. This H ion, this H and this oxygen combine to give you water and carbon dioxide gas released. So this is your reaction of metal carbonate when react with acid gives salt, water and carbon dioxide. Metal hydrogen carbonate, in place of 2 sodium, here one we use hydrogen. So this is your sodium hydrogen carbonate. On reaction with acid, it gives salt, water and carbon dioxide gas. Next is very important question. How can we check the release of carbon dioxide gas? When we pass carbon dioxide gas through lime water, that is calcium hydroxide, it is a base, that is, so carbon dioxide when we pass, then it gave calcium carbonate which is insoluble in water. That's why solution become milky. When we take test tube lime water, then we pass carbon dioxide, the solution become milky due to formation of calcium carbonate. When we pass again carbon dioxide for long time, then this milkiness disappear and solution become clear. Why this solution become clear? Because this calcium carbonate converted into calcium bicarbonate. Note down here one thing, calcium has 2 valency, OH has 1 valency, so calcium 2 come here, OH1 come here. Calcium has 2 valency, carbonate has 2 valency, so its formula is calcium carbonate. Here calcium has 2 valency, but HCO3, that is bicarbonate ion, has 1 valency, so 1 here, calcium 2 comes here, that is called calcium bicarbonate. These valencies are written here, please check. Calcium has 2 valency, carbonate has 2 valency and bicarbonate has 1 valency. Next is reaction of metal oxide with acid. Always remember that metal oxides are basic in nature. When they dissolve in water, they produce alkaline solution, that is basic solution. For example, metal oxide when react with acid it gives salt and water. Here we take example of calcium oxide plus sulfuric acid. देखो this calcium, from here we take anion, this form calcium sulfate, salt, and this H2 and oxygen they combine to gives you water. Same here, sodium from this part, chloride from this part, they combine to give you salt. H and oxygen combines to give you water. So this is your reaction of metal oxide with acid. Always remember that metal oxides are basic in nature because when they react with water they form base, or base or acid react to form salt and water. Always remember that metal oxide when react with acid give salt and water. Next is reaction of metal non-metal oxide with base. Always remember that metal oxides are basic in nature and non-metal oxide when dissolved in water they produce acid. So carbon dioxide nature is acidic. Carbon dioxide is non-metal oxide. It react with base like calcium hydroxide, which we have already studied here. That when you pass carbon dioxide from lime water, then its solution become milky due to formation of calcium carbonate salt and water. So when non-metal, always remember that metal oxides react with acid. Metal oxides are basic in nature, so when base react with acid, they form salt and water. Non-metal oxides are acidic in nature, so they react with base, they form salt and water. I hope it is clear to all of you. Always remember, non-metal oxides are acidic in nature, so they react with base and they produce salt and water. I hope it is clear to all of you. Please learn all these reactions which I have written on the board, because all these reactions are very important from examination point of view. How can you check the presence of carbon dioxide gas? By passing through lime water. So please learn all these reactions. Thank you. Have a nice day.